How do you get better video and audio quality when using Zoom? I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. I'm Handy Hudsonite. I'm going to give you the solution right now. Here I'm in my Zoom meeting and I'm using my AirPods Pro second generation to listen and also to speak. The microphone in these is not that great, even though they've made a lot of improvements, but using them on a Zoom call, it doesn't sound good. Also, the video quality isn't that great, even though I am using a 1080p webcam. We can up that. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. We go into the settings. We'll start with audio. Open up our audio menu here in the meeting by clicking this little caret symbol. All you have to do is switch your microphone depending on the equipment that you have. And with a little bit of investment, you can up your game significantly. I am going to switch my microphone over to my Fifine 678. I'll put a link down below. Get this on Amazon, and you can see the drastic improvement in the audio quality when I switch over to this microphone that I'm using right here as opposed to my AirPods Pro microphones. So let me know how you feel like it sounds in the comments. Now, what about the video quality? The video quality is super easy to change, assuming you have the equipment to do it. Now, one thing, if you have a Mac, is Mac recently released in their OS the ability to seamlessly connect your iPhone. And if you have one of the newer iPhones, you can drastically improve your video quality. And I'll show you exactly how to do that here. Let me just move my other webcam out of the way. And I'm going to open up my video settings here inside the meeting by hitting this little caret symbol by the stop video button. And that opens up my menu with my video devices. And I'm going to choose my fancy iPhone camera as I've labeled it. Let's toggle over to that. And now you're going to see a much better video experience on my side. And this makes a huge difference when you're presenting to people on Zoom, to a large group, even a small group. People will notice the difference and appreciate the quality that you put into presenting yourself here on Zoom. Now, I should say too, there's a couple other settings in the audio to make your audio sound even better. And to do that, you just come into audio settings. In the audio here, you can choose original sound for musicians and choose high fidelity music mode if you'd like. Stereo audio, you can check that. And this will make it sound even better if you have a quality microphone like this one that I'm using. Let me know your experience with this in the comments below, or give me questions related to using Zoom. I appreciate you watching this. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips like this one. See you in the next video.